So in this video we are going to discuss about encoder. So here you have 2 power n is to n. This is a formula. Let me consider the n value is equal to 2. If n is equal to 2, you will get 4 cross 2. 4 is your input and 2 is your output. Okay, so let me term that one as I3, I2, I1 and I0 is your input, and y1 y0 is your output. Okay, so if initially this if I0 is 1, okay, rest everything is 0 0 means you will get the output as 0 0. Okay, so if I1 is 1 and rest the outputs are 0 means I will get 0 1. That is the encoder will take all the inputs, digital inputs, and convert it into and encoded it into 0 0. Okay, it will select all the inputs irrespective of the mux, where mux will select only one input. This will select all the digital inputs and convert into 0 0. Okay, so if I2 is 0, then your output is 1 0. So this data only it is transmitted instead of this one. Next, if I3 is 0 0 means it will be 1 1. So if it is 0 0 0 0 means output is XX. Okay, this will be possible if encoder value enable value, this is the enable value. Okay, so the enable value should be 1. So if enable value is 0 means it will not function. Okay, so this is your block diagram. 4 cross 2 encoder. You have four inputs and 2 output as y1 and y0 and 1 enable pin. Okay, so what is the value of y1 now? Y1 is equal to y1 is 1 for the value of I2 and I3. Okay, so here the enable pin is always 1, so it is nothing but I2 plus I3. For y0 it is 1 for I1 plus 1 for I3. So how to implement this one? I2 I3 is your y1. Next I3 I1, I3 I1 is your y0. Okay, so what is a disadvantage means? Suppose you think if it is 0 or 1. Okay, so consider if this bit is changed. Instead of if enable pin is 1 and instead of 0 0 1 0, if I give the input as 0 0 1 1, if I give input as 0 0 1 1 and enable pin is 1, it will the output will be XX. So XX means it will take any value. Okay, so this will result in a bad output. Okay, wrong output. So therefore we are going for a priority encoder. Okay, so here also the formula is 2 power n is to n. Here I am taking the n is equal to 2, so therefore I am going to take the input as I3 I2 I1 I0 and y1 y0 is my output. So here also if I0 is 1 means it is 0 0, So here the priority is given for I1 for the next state. Okay, if I1 is 1, irrespective of the I0, whatever the value 0 or 1, you should produce the output as 0 1. Likewise, if I2 is here, I2 is highest priority, so I2 is 1, so irrespective of the value of I1 and I0, you should produce the output as 1 0. Likewise, you should produce the output as 1 1. So if it is 0 0 0, then the output is x6. Okay, so here also you have an enable pin. The enable pin must be 1. Okay, okay, so the block diagram looks like same as the encoder. So priority encoder. So 4 is to 2 enable pin, I0, I1, I2 and I3, Y1 and Y2 is your Y0 and Y0 is your output. Okay, first let us form the K-map for Y1. Okay, so if input is 4 zeros means output is x, right? X. Change the color. So if the input is here I0 is 1, so I0 is 1 means Y1 is 0. So here I1 is 1, I1 is 1 means it is 0. Okay, so this is also 0. So here I2 is 1, so if I2 is 1 it will be 1, right? If I3 is 1 also, Y1 is 1. So here it is also same. So I am going to group this one. If I group this, I will get answer as I2, and if I group this one, I will get the answer as I3. So my Y1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Okay, next came up for Y0. Zero 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 one 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 1 0. So initially it is xx for it. So this will be 1 for I1 and I3. So here it is 0, I1 is 0, here it is 1. Okay, I1 is 1, but the highest priority is I2 here. Okay, so 0 1 0 to 0 0 1 0 1, I0 is 0, so I0 and I2 here can take I1 is 1, right? So here the highest priority is 1, so I2 value is 1, so it is nothing but 0 only. Okay, so here if I group I group this one to form the output as I3, and I can group this two values. If I group this one, I will get I2 bar I1. So my Y0 is equal to I3 plus I2 bar I1. So how to implement this? I2 I3, this is your Y1, and I3 I2 I1, this is your Y0.